Today our topic is the northeast state of India. So here we'll learn about state located in northeast part of India. Then we'll learn about the history of northeast state of India. Then also we'll learn about the geographical features and festival of each state. So let's see here that India comprises of 29 states and 7 union territories, and the region include 8 states, that is northeast part. 8 states from northeast part, that is Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, then Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim, and Tripura. So these are the 8 states. All the states except Sikkim are the geographically contiguous and are collectively referred to as the Seven Sisters. So the northeast state of India shared border with country like, first of all, Nepal is there, Bangladesh is there, China is there, Bhutan is there, Myanmar is there. All these with these places they share the border. So let's see the history of Assam. So the ancient northeast part of India was ruled by the two kingdoms, that is Kamrupa and Davaka. So according to the history evidences, the Davaka kingdom was absorbed by the Kamrupa kingdom in early 5th century CE. By the 12th century, the Kamrupa kingdom was replaced by comparatively small rulers, and by the 16th century, Ahoms and Mitai kings started ruling in the present areas of Assam. And after the independence from the British in 1947, the northeast region mainly consists of Assam and princely state of Manipur and Tripura. So subsequently, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram were further carved out of Assam. Now let's see the states of northeast. That is, number 1, we'll see the Arunachal Pradesh. So we will learn here the history of Arunachal Pradesh and the geographical boundaries. So Arunachal Pradesh is the largest among all the 7 sisters, and the capital of the Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. So the word Arunachal Pradesh means the land of the downlit mountains. Means you will find here everywhere mountains, mountain place. And this state is also called Orchid State of India and Paradise of the Botanist. And it is also known for its large number of regional language among other Indian state, and diverse culture and traditions of various tribes makes the place more colorful in the culture. History, you will see that historically evidence available about the states are available only 16th century CE onwards during the rule of Ahom rulers. The regions passed under the British rule in 1838. Till 1972, it was known as Northeast Frontier Agency, that is NEFA, and it became a Union Territory of India on 20 January 1972 and renamed as Arunachal Pradesh. Later on 20 February 1987, it was granted the status of a state. Now let's see the area. So area is about 83,743 square kilometer, and international boundaries here, as I told, that is Bhutan, Myanmar, Tibet, and China are international boundary of this place, and state of Assam and Nagaland too. So let's see the climate. Climate is, Arunachal Pradesh has different climate in different areas. The climate varies with its height, and at the lower height the climate is hot and humid, and at higher altitude it is extremely cold, and this state also experience very high rainfall during the October and May and October. Agriculture. So agriculture is the main source of livelihood for the people of Arunachal Pradesh, and they practice zoom cultivation. So about 53% of the total cultivated areas are under zoom. Some of the major crops like wheat, maize, millet, pulses, rice, oilseed, sugarcane, and potato, and horticultures are also practiced in the Arunachal Pradesh. Let's see the industry. Industry means small base industries are there. Heavy industry means no heavy industries are there, but small scale industries are based there, and these industries includes like rice mill, fruit preservation, sawmill, steel fabrication, soap, and all this. Tourism, tourism is very favorable for these places. Tawang, the famous place, Bomdila, Tawang, all these places are tourist placed. Then Buddha Vihar are for famous for Buddha idol. Then Itanagar, and that is for Ita Mahal, Ganga Jheel, and Chaitra Sankranti fair. Chaitra Sankranti fair, this Mela means. Then Malinthan and Vishmakha Nagar, Pashuram Kund, then Namthapa are the important forest reserves area. Then uh, Laikabali, Tipi, Konsa, Along, Teja, Pasighat, Mao, Rowing, all these places are important tourist places. So in Arunachal Pradesh, festival. So the main festival of in Arunachal Pradesh is Siang River, Arunachal Pradesh, or Siang River Festival. Then Fansua Pass Winter Festival, PPWF. Then Zero Festival of Music. Then Solong of Agriculture Festival. Nayokum Losar Festival. Dairy Festival, Bori, Bhut, Loku, Senken, Kan, then Gomkan, Gompa, Sia, Donvi, Mopin. All these are festival celebrated there in Arunachal Pradesh. So just go through these festivals. At least try to learn 6 festivals from this place. Now, next topic we'll see on next class.